Hey everyone, welcome back, and in today's video we're going to be diving deeper into the world of VPNs. I'll be explaining what VPNs are, how they work, and give you some tips on how to choose the right one for your PC. I'll also be giving you my top 3 VPN picks later on in this video, so stay tuned. So if you want to know more about VPNs and find one that fits your situation, this video is definitely for you. So without further ado, let's get started. Also, if at any point you'd like to give any of the mentioned VPNs a try, you'll find discount links available in the description down below to help you save some extra money. For starters, a VPN or virtual private network is a tool that helps protect your online privacy and security by encrypting your internet traffic and routing it through a remote server. This means that anyone who tries to intercept your internet traffic won't be able to see what you're doing or access your personal information. So how does a VPN actually work? Well, when you use a VPN, your computer or mobile device first connects to a remote server operated by the VPN provider. This connection is encrypted, which means that any data sent between your device and the server is scrambled and can't be intercepted by anyone who might be snooping on your internet connection. Now, once the connection is established, all of your internet traffic is routed through the remote server. This means when you browse the web or use any online services, your data is sent to the remote server first and then on to its final destination. This makes it much more difficult for anyone to track your online activity or steal your personal information. With that being said, there are a few key factors to consider when choosing a VPN. First of all, you want to make sure that the VPN provider you choose has a strong reputation for privacy and security. Look for a provider that has a strict no logs policy, which means that they don't keep any records of your online activities. You should also consider the number of locations of the VPN provider's servers. The more servers they have, the more locations they're in, the more options you'll have for choosing a fast and reliable connection. And finally, consider the cost of the VPN service. While some VPNs are free, they often come with limitations or drawbacks such as slower connection speeds or limited server locations. Paid VPNs typically offer more features and better performance, but you'll need to decide if the cost is worth it for you. And so I've been regularly testing the best and most popular VPNs, and I've narrowed it down to Express, Nord, and Surfshark as the best 3 VPNs overall. Of course, they all vary in budgets and features, yet they all have a kill switch. They're excellent for torrenting, and they all consistently work with streaming services such as Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime Video, and that's why these are my favorite 3, but depending on your situation and preferences, one of them may be a better choice for you, and I'll explain why. Now, starting with ExpressVPN, and this is going to be the one to get if you're looking for the best overall, fastest, and easiest to use VPN, and it has the most verified no logs policy, which was demonstrated through a real-life stress test proving that they don't collect or track any user data. It has over 3,000 servers in 94 countries, which is a big number of countries, allowing you to easily access content from all over the globe. Plus, you can secure up to 5 simultaneous connections per account, and it's compatible with most devices. And so ultimately, whenever people ask us what the best, most reliable VPN is and don't mind spending a few extra dollars to ensure the highest level of reliability, Express is our trusty go-to choice for those looking for a premium VPN. Next up is NordVPN, and Nord is what I consider the best value VPN. It has over 5,400 servers in 60 countries, and while more servers does not necessarily mean better service, this can help with speed and latency, especially if you use a VPN for gaming, or if you want extra features such as a threat protection which blocks ads, malware within websites, as well as protect your device from harmful files, which is a neat little feature. And so Nord kind of gives you more options to fiddle with, and that's where the value for the money comes from, especially that it's about as fast as ExpressVPN in terms of performance, and will let you secure up to 6 devices per subscription as opposed to ExpressVPN's 5 device limit. So all in all, if you're someone looking to have a few more options in your VPN, then Nord would be the one to get. And then finally, Surfshark is our pick for the best budget VPN. And while it has all the essentials like Express and Nord, it's not quite as fast as those two. Although with Surfshark, you're allowed to virtually secure an unlimited number of devices with just one account, so it's a great option if you don't want any simultaneous connection limits. You also get over 3,200 servers in 100 countries, which is a lot. You still get some bonus features such as an ad blocker for blocking pop-ups, 2 types of specialty servers, as well as no borders mode and rotating IP, which can be very useful if you're looking to use your VPN in a restrictive country. So ultimately, if you're looking to spend the least amount of money but still have all the core features of a premium VPN, or if you need a VPN that allows you to secure all of your devices, or if you have a large family, then Surfshark is the ideal choice. And so to sum it up, these are definitely the best in the business. Express is a premium VPN with a strong emphasis on security and utmost anonymity, and it's perfect for those who are privacy conscious and are looking for the best VPN overall. Then NordVPN is a well-rounded high-performance VPN that offers a lot of value for the money and is ideal for those looking for bonus features that can be useful in a variety of ways besides base VPN functions such as a strong encryption, secure torrenting, and working with streaming services. And Surfshark is truly the best budget VPN that gets the job done without sacrificing any of the necessary security features that you usually get with more expensive VPNs. And as an added bonus, you get to share it around with as many of your friends and family as you like, which is a great plus. So that's it for this video, guys. Again, if you're interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find links to pricing and discounts, as well as in-depth reviews in the description down below. And feel free to comment below if you have any questions, as I love getting to interact with you guys. And like and subscribe if you found this video helpful and would like to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.